Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's start with the Bank Nifty analysis. Now, just to provide you some context, there was a huge gap open in our markets, and we'll go over yesterday what I predict. Bearish bias to our trades. I said bearish triangle would go. Naturally, after the big gap up, sold calls most likely you're in decent. So I'll just take you through the journey of what we did today, how I ended up in profit, and let's just look at everything. So first thing I'm going to start with is Bank Nifty weekly chart. I'm going to look. I'm observing on the weekly chart. See, last week high, I'm drawing a line. So what do I see here? I see an inside candle as of now being formed, right? And it has taken a touch at the last week's high, correct? So what I want, if market starts to go above 53,180, okay, this line you have marked, you can see on the right side, 53,180, okay? So 53,180 ke upar, if the market goes tomorrow, I'm going to be like properly bullish biased, okay? Again. Why? Because like everything indicates bullishness to me as of now. Now what we are going to try to do from the weekly chart. Now we'll think first of all ki bearish kab khilna hai. When do we play bearish? Okay. So current week low I'm going to mark. I'm seeing 52,000 as that level. 51996. Okay. So what do I come to know when I look at this? I come to know that if the market has to go down, market has to cross that level, then it will go down. Correct. So below this level, I'll start to initiate my bearish bias. But there's no reason as of now. I don't see any reason to be bearish. Okay. So yesterday I was slightly bearish, but I'll give you the context as to why. And I'll take you to the 15-minute chart. Okay. After this. Okay. So weekly candle we are discussing. Above last week's high, we are going to be bullish. Above current week's low, below that, we are going to be bearish. Okay. Ye clear ho gaya. Simple. So now daily chart par I'm going. Now see daily chart, what I can see this is a doji. Doji means what? Indecision. Indecision means trade at the break of the level, either on the upside or on the lower side, correct? So I think this is still a bullish bias because the closing is at the highest point ever in Bank Nifty, which always is a good move for Bank Nifty. Okay, for example, I'm just drawing this. You look at here, this also is the highest closing, right? It's a doji, like it's not a great bullish candle, but still next day we got a gap up. So your puts, if you've sold them, then there's a good chance that there's a crash in some puts. Okay, so first thing. Okay, so based on the candlestick pattern, what do we come to know? Doji ka maine repeat kiya hai. Same drill as always. Okay, high break kiya we go long, low break kiya we go short. Okay, nothing like special in this candle. Cool. So now yesterday what we discussed? Yesterday we discussed this is a bearish engulfing candle. Correct. So bearish engulfing mein naturally you had shorts. Correct. Because no one should go long on this candle. Okay, logically speaking, if they're going long, then I'm guaranteeing you there has to be a habit of gambling then in that trader. Agar aise strong red candles if they are going long, then they might have won today, but they will lose a lot of times. Cool. So ignore them. Now assume you've gone short. Think logically. You're going to like इसको कट करो, थिंक लॉजिकली से कट कर दो प्लीज. आदित्य आपको बोल रहा हूं मैं. ओके, सो वील कवर द yesterday's logic. I'm going to cover simple 15-minute charts पर. Okay, so I'll take you to that. Now see what we discussed on the weekly analysis. I said this week a pause or profit booking might come. Okay, so what we were biased. Okay, कि यहाँ पे it's breaking the lower end, so market might take a pause. And to be fair, okay, it did actually take some pause. It didn't continue its upward movement, right? But what happened? So this is a support resistance line for us. Cool. 1, 2, 3, fourth time this is breaking. So this support has successfully turned into a resistance. Correct? So far you're with me? Okay. So yahan pe, like I'm telling you, this is a resistance point for you right now. So you're going to look for what? You're going to look for good trades to sell like calls at. Okay? So yahan pe this is taking resistance. Even the yesterday's gap, matlab up, it got sold again, market is going down, means there is some resistance there. Okay, so now what we said, Nikita has made a superb video on this. Okay, simple support resistance. So like hamara to actually I'll tell you in detail, one of our setups, which is one of the best setups we have, this got activated today, and that is the reason actually why we made money today. If that setup did not activate, most probably I would have to book a loss. Okay, but even with simple support resistance, I'll tell you, now we established कि यहाँ पे resistance we made, right? Once this breakdown came, so now we are looking for like sell on rise kind of trades, call selling trades. So if market is closing above this candle, what does it tell you? It tells me that we had a support, we had a resistance, sorry. Now it's closing above that comfortably. This tells me that this resistance has again become a support. Okay, ये simple है. Okay, so first we had a support, it became resistance. After that, now resistance has turned into a support. Okay, we are going to use this, okay, this logic a lot. So once market started sustaining above this level, so I knew that the probability of the market coming down has to be very low. So we started selling puts aggressively. Like, I'm going to cover this setup in detail along with Nikki in the workshop we have like in around 10 days. Okay. So if you are interested in learning these setups, okay, because these setups can potentially like, make a lot of money for you. And I frankly, when I met Nikita, we used to trade based on gut and only support resistance. So I understood that occasionally what's going to happen, like you will lose a lot of money when this support and resistance fails. No, that's why you need setups like to trade. And without them, I don't think I can trade, at least without setups. Okay, so Nikita told me to remind you two things. Okay, first thing, draw this trend line here. Okay, so this trend line, market closed above this trend line as well. Okay, so that's the one bullish thing. Second thing, I told you this horizontal like level of a resistance, market closed above that also. So that also is a good logic to go long. And lately she told me to remind you, see, notice this one. Do you see a kind of a flag? Okay, so this flag also she told me to remind you. And I think she might have posted this on Twitter. I didn't check her account, but mostly she might have posted this on Twitter about this flag. Now, if this flag breakout we get tomorrow, I think it's exceptional to go long. Okay, again, intraday mein. And just a disclaimer, this is basically I'm sharing my planning with you. I don't intend for anyone to copy me. So if this logic fails or it works, doesn't matter. Like, I'm just sharing my plan. Okay, so for tomorrow, we have an eye out on this flag pattern. So wherever this flag breaks, we are going to take a trade there. Okay, that's it. Cool. And this, basically this gap, okay, which happened because of this bearish engulfing and all. Does this mean we stop trading on bearish engulfing? Absolutely not. Okay. So for example, 20 bearish engulfings, if you get like hardly 1 or 2 are going to fail. So you'll get a profit majority of the times. And even today, I was supposed to have a big loss, right? Today, but even today I'm in profit. So when your plan also works, you have a plan for that as well. So don't be so afraid of, any overnight trades or getting stuck. So basically just keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you are going to become. ठीक है, तो सिर्फ समराइज करने के लिए ये सपोर्ट था हमारा जो रेजिस्टेंस बन गया था इसके ब्रेक पे, फिर रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर ये कैंडल क्लोज की थी, इसलिए हमने रेजिस्टेंस को सपोर्ट बना दिया. ठीक है, फिर एडिशनली यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन था, ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर भी आ गया मार्केट, दैट ऑल्सो इज अ बुलिश साइन. और थर्ड, हम कल के लिए क्या देख रहे हैं, हम कल के लिए फ्लैग पैटर्न देख रहे हैं, तो इसको कल देखेंगे हम. अगर इसका अपसाइड ब्रेकआउट आता है तो बहुत मस्त, मतलब फिर अच्छा पैसा बनने वाला है कल भी. अगर नीचे आता है देन वील सी व्हाट टू डू. Cool, so that is basically the logic we had for going long. Okay, so let's look at Nifty. अभी निफ्टी को देखते हैं. निफ्टी का वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे have come. लास्ट वीक तो बहुत मस्त बुलिश था, which means दिस वीक का स्ट्रैटेजी क्या रहना चाहिए था, कोई भी दूर के पुट सेल करो, बेसिकली वो स्ट्रैटेजी रहना चाहिए था. ओके, तो अभी करंट वीक का कैंडल क्या दिखा रहा है हमको, इसमें भी बुलिशनेस दिख रहा है हमको. कुछ बेरिशनेस दिख रहा है क्या, मेरे को कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है बेरिशनेस एज ऑफ नाउ निफ्टी में. तो लाइक बेरिशनेस आने के लिए कुछ होना पड़ेगा, फिर एक कैंडल जब वीक होगी देन विल स्टार्ट टू लुक एट इट. बट एज ऑफ नाउ मुझे कुछ बेरिश नहीं दिख रहा है. तो वीकली कैंडल में ना अभी भी 2 दिन है, लेट्स होप कि और ऊपर जाए निफ्टी और एक अच्छा मस्त कैंडल और एक बार बनाए, तो फिर इजी हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट वीक हमारे लिए बहुत. डेली चार्ट पर हैव कम. नाउ लेट्स सी डेली चार्ट पर व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. सी दिस कैंडल व्हिच इज हैपनिंग ऑन डेली चार्ट. फर्स्ट थिंग तो विद सपोर्ट डू वी हैव, वी डायरेक्टली हैव अ सपोर्ट हियर अराउंड 23,664 व्हिच इज वेरी फार अवे नाउ, मतलब ठीक है. तो दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर अस. सो व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे, बिकॉज दिस सपोर्ट वोंट वर्क, वी नीड थोड़े पास के लेवल्स टू बेट ऑन. सो मैंने ग्रीन और रेड कैंडल के हाई लो पे मैंने मार्क किया है. तो आई सेड अबव दिस वी आर गोइंग टू बी बुलिश एंड बिलो दिस वी आर गोइंग टू बी बेरिश. तो नीचे में वी हैव टू सी 24,000 पे हाउ मार्केट इज रिएक्टिंग. वी नीड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लोजिंग बिलो 24,000 टू स्टार्ट टू इनिशिएट अ बेरिशनेस एटलीस्ट टिल दिस टारगेट. देन अगर 24 के नीचे आता है तो 23,700 भी आना चाहिए फिर एक बार. Okay, so as of now the closing is damn good daily key, but the candle is not damn good. Okay, so closing is all time high, which tells me market should be bullish. Okay, but what do we see at the end of the day? This is a doji only. Like someone told me like ये shooting star है, मतलब like when this candle happened, someone commented कि you should not call it doji, it's a shooting star. It's actually irrelevant. मतलब whatever it's called, I don't care. This logic basically states that if it goes up, you have to be bullish. If it comes down, you have to be bearish. Same, okay? So I'm going to call this doji only. And I think we have to trade the breakout of this candle now on the daily chart. Okay? So kal ke liye above today's high, we're going to be bullish. And below, bearish I don't think will be. We'll be slightly bearish below current day's low. But proper bearish will be below 24,000. तो 300 पॉइंट जो नीचे आएगा ना वो, You have to be okay with losing that kind of opportunity. अगर आपको 24,200 से वो 24,000 का भी move if you want to capture, then I think you're going to have a lot of stop losses being hit like all the time. क्योंकि आपको हर मूव कैप्चर करना है ना मार्केट का, नो वन इज दैट गुड दैट दे कैन कैप्चर एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, सो निफ्टी का डेली चार्ट का लॉजिक इज सिंपल. 15 मिनट पे लेट्स कम. 15 मिनट पे व्हाट डिड वी डिस्कस्ड? वी डिस्कस्ड दैट दिस मार्केट इज मेकिंग दिस रेंज, सो अबव दिस रेंज वी आर गोइंग टू बी बुलिश एंड इन फैक्ट वी वर बुलिश. ओके, सो अबव दिस मार्केट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग एंड हॉल्टिंग नाउ. तो अभी ये हॉल्ट परफेक्ट है हमारे लिए, अच्छा ही है, बुरा कुछ नहीं है इसमें. अभी और क्या होना चाहिए? बिग कैंडल से इट शुड गो अप. Okay, when it goes up with the big candle, again we get the confidence ki okay, market is really bullish and it should logically speaking go up a lot more. Okay, and if the market comes down, basically अगर ये breakdown candle if we get tomorrow, what is the logic? फिर हमको क्या लगेगा? मार्केट इस रेंज में टाइम पास कर रहा था ना, then I think वापस ये रेंज में फंस जाएगा. then again we have to wait basically कि नीचे जाएगा ऊपर जाएगा. फिर ये रेंज में शॉर्ट ट्रायंगल सबसे अच्छे काम करते हैं, तो ट्रायंगल का व्यू लेके चलेंगे हम दूर दूर के. ठीक है, सो आई थिंक निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी के लिए इतना ही था. आई टोल्ड यू वी रिकूप दैट एंटायर लॉस बिकॉज ऑफ अ सेटअप एंड विच लॉजिक्स आई वांटेड टू शेयर, आई डिड शेयर देम विद यू. Simple resistance turning into a support, trend line breakout. Okay, and now for tomorrow we have a pole and flag pattern in Bank Nifty, which Nikita told me to remind you. Okay, so that was it for this video from our side. And if you do like our videos, please hit the like button. It really helps us grow our channel. And also, if you want to sign up for the workshop, you can do so via the link given in the description below. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.